My sweetest friends, I want to share with you the deepest Torah in the world from the Rebbe Reb Shlomo. This week's Parsha, we're reading about the splitting of the Red Sea, Kriyat Yam Suf, Parshas Beshalach. And, the Midrash says the deepest thing in the world. It says after the sea split, so it says, Hayam chazal eitano. The sea returned to its strength. It went back again. It split open, went back. But our holy rabbis teach us in the Midrash not to read, we shouldn't read le'etano, that it went back to its original strength, but le'ta'ano, it went back to its condition, its ta'ana, it's like it made a vow. What was the condition, the vow that the Red Sea made? The Red Sea made a vow before creation. God said, I'm creating you on one condition, that when Am Yisrael comes, when the Jews come to the Red Sea, you split open for them. Okay, comes the great day. We come to the Red Sea, and the sea doesn't even recognize us. We just got out of Egypt. The sea saw our neshamas, the way we looked in Shemayim. Now the sea looks at we, with a bunch of schleppers just came out of Mitzrayim, Lamrot, all the miracles and everything, but all these so many years of galut, of being in exile, took its toll. The sea didn't recognize us until it saw the bones of Yosef. When it saw the bones of Yosef, the sea realized, I remember my condition with God. I have to split. What did the sea see? Yosef Atzadik, Mamash, had big test. First, he was tested by Potiphar's wife. Everybody knows the story. But that wasn't his deepest test. His deepest test was afterwards not to get angry at his brothers. You know how he had to change himself from water to dry land and back again? It's incredible. So the sea looked at Yosef Atzadik and it said, Gewalt, I'm ready to split. Now I recognize who this is. It's Am Yisrael. I have to keep my condition, my vow. And the sea said, what did the sea also see when it saw Yosef? It saw Yosef's mother, Rachel. That Rachel, Mamash, where did Yosef get it? Get it from that he's ready to split for somebody else? From his mother Rachel, who was ready to give her life for her sister Leah by giving her husband Yaakov to Leah, as hard as that was to do. And she would even have to marry, God forbid, Esav. So Shlomo says, every person has one moment in their lifetime when you have to, Mamash, God gives you this biggest test in the world. You have to be ready to split for somebody else. Like to turn yourself from water to dry land and back again. And if you do it, Gewalt, you get strong. You choser le'etano. You become 1,000,000,000 times stronger, deeper, holy than you ever were before. If you miss the opportunity, okay, you'll go back again. But you'd be nothing. So this week's portion is, Mamash, God gives Am Yisrael the strength, the deepest strength in the world to turn ourselves over 1,000,000,000 times. To be ready, Mamash, to turn ourselves from water to dry land and back again for every other Jew. For my family. For my children. For all the world, for all of Am Yisrael, Mamash, to be ready, Mamash, to turn ourselves from water to dry land. And what does that mean? Friends, we all have so much smallness in us, Why don't I love my neighbor as much as I should? Because Mamash, such a small mind, We need Mamash to get to such a big mind. big mind. Mochin the Gadlut, to come to another level. So one of blesses this Shabbos. The gate should open for us, for all of Am Yisrael. That we should be ready to change for one another every second. Put aside all our small pettiness and see something so much deeper. Have a deeper vision of unity, of love for all of Am Yisrael. So my sweetest friends, I'm begging you, this Shabbos, open your hearts, because all the gates are open. And this is a time when each and every one of us has the ability to change mamish from water to dry land for another Jew, for another Yid, for another person. And during these hard times, I want to share one more thing. We have to remember always, I can't say it enough. Shlomo says, what's a real chassid? A real chassid is someone who knows the secret of how to sing and dance with a broken heart. So keep on singing, my friends, keep on dancing, keep on praying, keep on loving one another, keep on doing each other a favor. And like the Holy Rambam says, it's not enough to believe Mashiach's coming. We have to believe with all our heart and soul that each and every one of us can bring him. So my sweetest friends, I'm wishing you good Shabbos, Shabbat Shalom, a Shabbos of love, a Shabbos of peace, a Shabbos of so much strength, a Shabbos of joy, a Shabbos of hope. Good Shabbos, good Shabbos, good